I'm Michelle Granger, Curriculum Area Manager. Welcome to Engineering.
Hi, I'm Julie Bamford and I'm an engineering lecturer at Kirklees College and I'm lead for BTEC Level 3 programme. Here at Kirklees College we deliver CAD within the curriculum, which is computer-aided design, and this is so that the students can work in different softwares such as 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. The softwares that we have are very relatable to industry and are used in the local engineering community. This allows our students to have hands-on experience. They can be creative, use their problem-solving skills and create technical drawings, and they can produce 3D geometries for testing and prototyping.
Hi, my name is Walid. I'm a material science lecturer. The next branch is mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering centered on designing, analyzing, and manufacturing systems. Students in this center learn a variety of units such as thermofluids, mechanical principles, mathematics, engineering and material science. Careers in this field includes mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering and automotive.
I'm a specialist in electronic engineering. Electronic engineering focuses on design, development and maintenance of electronic systems and devices. Students learn more about circuit designing, signal processing and micro electronics, including embedded systems. They often work in labs at component levels like resistors, capacitors, microprocessors, PLCs. Career for electronic engineering graduates includes roles such as electronic engineer, control systems, and telecommunications specialists.
Hi, my name is Billy.
And my name is Bo.
And we're studying a Level 3 BTEC in Engineering and Manufacturing. The course offers 9 different units, things like CAD, manual drafting, primary forming,
electrical, health and safety, maths. This course offers a lot of variety to different people. Like, let's say if people wanted to go to university, they pick this course because it offers the most knowledge to go and do what you want.
My favourite unit in the whole thing's CAD, because it's doing a lot of work on design on the computers. It's similar to the manual drafting, but that's on paper. So it means you can get into lots of different pathways, like going into CNC and just designing different types of things.
My favourite unit is manual drafting, because it really shows your ability to draw and manufacture different pieces or different designs to whatever you really want to.
Hello, my name is Omar. I'm a first-year T-level student in T-levels Engineering, Manufacturing and Processing.
My name is Liam. I'm also a first-year T-level student.
There are various parts of this course. There's a electrical part, mechanical part, finance part, business part, and a practical part. My favorite part is to be the electrical part, mainly because my tutor for it is quite intuitive. He's quite informative and he's involved with the class at every single step of the way.
My favourite is also the electrical side, as I find electronics rather interesting, and learning components like capacitors in depth and how they work, and the formulas behind it so we can calculate how stuff would work in real life.